Begin by aligning the metal plate with the rebar frame. Secure the workpiece using quick tack welds at the corners to ensure stability during the process. Execute a standard weld bead along the seam. Once complete, use a chipping hammer and wire brush to remove slag. This step reveals the initial penetration and bead quality.
Notice the uneven results from freehand welding. To improve, grind away the previous material. Introduce a thin metal rod as a guide to bridge the gap and stabilize the arc. Strike your arc and move steadily along the guide rod. This technique maintains consistent bead width and height, providing a much stronger bond between the plate and rebar.
Clean the surface again to inspect the progress. The guide rod integrates into the joint for a flatter profile. Apply a final finishing pass to ensure a smooth, professional appearance. Final cleanup shows a high-quality, uniform weld. This simple modification ensures structural integrity and a clean finish. Success lies in the preparation. To create a professional cross-joint with U-channel steel, start by aligning your beams on a flat surface. Mark the exact width of the top channel directly onto the bottom one to define the intersection area for a precise fit.
Using a square, extend those markings across the top face and down both sides of the U-channel. Taking the time to ensure these lines are perfectly perpendicular is essential. Once you've finished marking, cross-hatch the area to be removed so you have a clear visual guide for cutting.
Now, use an angle grinder to carefully cut along your lines. Make the vertical cuts first, then remove the center section of the bottom beam. Be sure to clean up any metal burrs with a file or the grinder to ensure the pieces slide together without resistance. Next, position the second beam and mark the corresponding notches. These cuts should mirror the first slot, allowing the two U-channels to interlock at the center. Precision here ensures the finished cross is perfectly square. Finally, slot the two pieces together. Use a hammer to tap the joint into place until the top faces are completely flush. This method results in a strong, clean, and structurally sound cross-joint for your metalwork projects.